got the hiccups.
All right then. You gonna laugh? You got the birthday hiccups, Benny. You know what, Benny? It's almost exactly a year after you were born.